hyena. Oh, look at this cute. Like Hawassa, where are they? Good morning, friends. We start our day here in Hawassa. Very beautiful day. Somewhat cloudy sky. But it's beautiful still. Love it. And I'm just gonna take you a tour on Amora Gadel and Fuker Hike, you know. The base heights of a tourist destination in Hawassa. Look at what looks like Hawassa early in the morning. Is the streets are very wide, being decorated with lined up trees. Look at it. Guys, isn't it so? Hawassa is beautiful. Seriously beautiful and mind-blowing beauty. Wow. Come to Hawassa and have some beautiful time, guys. It really worth us to be visited. Oh. Thank you. Appreciate it. See you too. Love you. Yeah, we drop in and looking another taxi that can take us to Fuker Hike. Oh, look at that man. He's calling me. Come. Come, let me take you to Fuker Hike. የነም ትሄዱ ወደ ፍቅር ሀይቅ አይግረሽ ለርስሽ በእግሩ ብታደርሽ በመኪና በእግሩ ተሸከሙ ላይ ረስ በለው በእግር ታደርስሽ ና ማስጊ ሞልተሻል አይ ሌላ ቦታ ስለሚሄድ አንቺ ወደ ውስጥ እንድትገቢ እኮ really I just give up no አንቺ ጫፍ it's okay bro thank you እሺ ግባ እዚህ ጫፍ ተብሎ just ትንሽ ወክላር ና ግባ ይኸው ግባ እና እዚህ ሞልቷል እዚህ የሞላው ጋር ታስገበኝ ግባ አባ እንጋለቀየ I'm sorry right there, that's what we call Tabor Mountain. That's Mount Tabor. I wish I can hike that, but I'm not sure how I can make that. Anyway, so let's go to Amora Gadol first and show you that how beautiful is Hawassa. So let's do that. I'm gonna just take you a tour on that beautiful beach of Hawassa Lake. There are a lot of things we're gonna explore. So guys, I'm in Amora Gadol. So look at the gates here. A structure, something parabolic in shape. It's very nice, you see. On this field inside is a field basically used for hosting the Chambalala festivals of Sidama National Regional States of Ethiopia. I think I can film this close. Let's see what it looks like. Where are they? A very parabolic structure. Oh, I don't know if guys can see that app over there. Climbing up that big tree. Well, this is a field where Chambalala festival is celebrated, you know. There is a cultural holiday that basically used by the Sidaman people as a day of what receiving a new year, which is celebrated as Chambalala Fiche, something like that. It's something, a day for receiving new year, or no? Look how the field is green and nice. So we'll explore more that beautiful lake as well. Amora Gadel. You know, in that park I'm gonna just have a look, some apps like that. We'll see that anyways. So guys, I'm gonna grab my coffee with a bread which is called ambasha, very nice bread, you know, and I have here a tea. Look at this one. So it's as some in the fish market. Look at the people around hustling, you know, selling, buying fish stuff. Yeah, and here my friend is just telling me as he's gonna show me. Shall I trust you? All right. ማም እንዴት ነው? አመሰግናለሁ የኔ መሰለ ምግብ ስለጋበዝሽኝ። ብዙ ጊዜ ሆነዎት እዚህ የሚሰሩ? ዳጣም አለ ለቤት ከፈለክ። ኦኬ። ዳጣ በቀን ምሽት ጾታዎቹም አሉ አንድ ላይ ያበላክ ትነሳለህ። ለማዳ አለ አለ በዚህ በጀልባ ነው። በዚህ በኩልም አለው። ሐዋሳ ነው ተወልዶ ሐዋሳ የኖሩት? አዎ ከቀጠር ነው ከወላይታ ነው። እዚህ አልተወለደም። ወላይታ እሄዳለሁ። አዎ እኔ እሄዳለሁ። እሄዳለሁ? አዎ ወደ ከተማ ነው። ከሱባ ወረዳ ወደ ገሞጎፋ ምናምን ጎፋ አውቀዋለሁ። ጎፋ ሳውላ? አዎ ሳውላ። ሳውላ ነው አይደል? እኔ ወረዳ ከሱባ ነው። ማ? አዎ ከተማ ወረዳ ከሱባ። ኦኬ። እኔ ሳውላ፣ ሰላምበር፣ ሜላ እንትነኝ ፈረናኝ የፈረንጂ ጉራኝ አይ ጀስት ቱር አረጋለሁ። ባስኬቶ ባስኬቶ ድረስ አጣለ እዛ ደግሞ በዛ በኩል ከሄድሽ ላይክ ካምባ ምናምን በካምባ ልጅ ወደ ሸሌ አርባ ምንጭ ወይ ወደ ጂንካ መንገድ በጣም ሩቅ ያገሮች እኮ ናቸው። ሩቅ ናቸው። ሩቅ ያገሮች ናቸው እነሱ በእኛ ማለት ነው። በሁለታ ዙሪያ በጣም ሩቅ ይገጣል። በጣም ጃሎ እዛ ድረስ ወንድ ምን ሰው አጃ ዝናብ ያላስወጣም ብሎ ጠዋት በአንድ ሰዓት ነበረ መስራትና ማለት። ስለዚህ ሁለት በልቼ አግዝሻለሁ። አይሻልም? ራስም ካስፈልገ ካለ ያ ደግሞ ያሰቀራ አሎ አብረን ያለ exploring the fish markets of Hawassa. Look at our locals just here, you know, doing their day-to-day activity stuff. And here my brother is just dedicated to show me what it's look like, everything, and he is explaining us. He's
He's gonna tell us in Amharic. Okay.
ሞራ ገደል የተባለው ደግሞ ሞሮች በብዛት ስላሉና የዋስ ስምጠት ጥልቀታም ቦታ ስለሆነ ነው።
አሞራ ገደል የተባለው ላይክ ብዙ አሞራዎች ስላሉ ነው።
አሞራዎች ስላሉና እዚህ የዋስ ስምጠት ጥልቀታም ቦታ ስለሆነ ነው ሞራ ገደል የተባለው።
ጥልቅ ነው ሀይቁ።
ጥልቅ ነው 25 ሜትር ነው ጥልቀቱ ወደ ታች።
ታቦር ተራራ ማለት ያ ነው።
ታቦር ተራራ ያ ነው። አዋሳም በሙሉ ለማየት ከፈለክ ይዛው ነው። እነዚህ ደግሞ ሴቶች ናቸው። አንገታቸው ለቀረጢት አላቸው። ወልጆቻቸውን ማጥራት ነው።
ኦኬ።
የሌላቸው ደግሞ ወንዶች ናቸው። ማላቸው ለቆመ መነሳት ከፈለክ ሲሻውን በጣም ያምራል።
ጀስት ብር ክፈል ይሉኛል።
ብራንተ የተመቸን ነው መስጠታቸው ችግር የለም።
10 ብር መስጠት ይችላል። ብር የለኝም ብዙም ገብቶሻል። guys. Tidak tukum izah. Kenapa? Enak sih. Enak sih dapat dorong rasa cukup. Mau ni. Oh, tagaw na. Woi, antu udah alai air kalau tagasu. Udah alai dah. Tu karis. Antu berharap sebelum nemar. Tidak berdorong pada. Those having something on their neck are female and they are just collecting food for their chicks. Nai bakar. It's very hard. So, yeah. Thank you. Yes, just ያለኝ ነው አምሳልሽ ምን Thank you. መሰግናለሁ። በርቺ እኮ ያለኝ ነው አምሳልሽ። እሺ 20 ብር ልስጥሽ። Thank you. You know, for that moment, they just received 20 birr. Wow, that's good. Huh? ነገር ደግሞ ጀርባቸው ላይ ያለው ደግሞ ሳምባቸው ነው። ላይ ተደርጎ እዛ ነው የሚተነፈሱት። ኦኬ It's a very crazy place, guys. Here, you know, fishing stuff. Here are fishing nets. Fiance is and over there that's Mount Tabor. If you just climb up on the tops of that mountain, you can get the full views of Hawassa town. Those traditionally made boats. Only me. So, አንድ ሰው ጨምሪያ የሆነ ሰዎች ፈልጊ. Trying to negotiate with him, you know, for having a boat ride, but the cost is very high, you know, because if I'm only just trying to ride it, it's gonna be like 1,000 birr that I can't afford, you know. So trying to see another alternative. So አታገኝ መሻላ እንዳንተ መሄድ አይገኝም። አሁን ለምሳሌ ኮንትራት ነው በመሀል አድርገን አልከኝ እዛ እየተቆረጥክ ስለሚሄድ 100 ብር ጨምርሻል። 500 ላድርግልሽ እንደምንም ብለህ 500 የመጨረሻ አቅሜ ማለት ነው። ቢኖረኝ ምንም ችግር የለውም። ባይዘው እኔ እንደዚህ የሚሰራ ሰው በጣም ደስ የሚለኝ የሆነ ጊዜ ስመጣ ደግሞ እከስሻለሁ። እስቲ ገና ነው የመጀመሪያ ነው የምሰራው። ዛሬ ጧት አልሰራህም? ኦኬ ሶ ጀስት ጀምርና ላይክ እኔ ደግሞ በጣም ምርጥ ሰው ነኝ።
ይበረግድልሻል ዛሬ ስታመላልሽ ነው የምትውይው
እንደምንም ተጨምረን
አይ በቃ 500 እግዚአብሔር ስለሌለኝ ነው ማርያምን ቢኖረኝ ምንም ችግር የለውም እንደዚህ ላይክ የሚያሳይ ሰው ምናምን አሁን እሱ በጣም ነው ጀስት ኮኦፕሬት ያደረገኝ Look at around guys እንዴ አዋጣሽ አባይጋ
ደርሶ መልሰው እዛ ላገኝ አሁን ባዶ ነው አሁን ቤንዚን ገዝቼ ገቢው 200 ነው ትርፉ አሁን 600 ራሱ ቢሰጥ ደርሶ መልስ የ400 ይጨርሳል 200 ነው ትርፋቸው ሶሪ እና ደግሞ ተገደደ የሚሰራ ወር ነው
ኦኬ
እዛ የተወሰነው ሁለት ሰው መሄድ ከሆነ 300 ብር ነው አይታል አሁን አንድ ሰው ወስዷል ብሎ ፍቅራክ 600 ነው እኔን የምጠይቀው ከዛ ብዬ ነው
ኦኬ ኮንትራክት ስለሆነ እኔም ጀስት ስለሌለኝ ነው ኪሴ ላይ እንጂ ምንም ችግር የለውም እንትን ተባበርሽ ነበር ምን ነው አንቺ ስራ እየሰራሽ ስለሆነ ደስ ይለኛል ምን ተፈጥሮ ነው
ዝም ብሎ
ወልቆን
እየተሸጠውን ብር እንትን እየተከራከረው ለሂሳብ እየተከራከረው
እስኪ በቃ ወደ ውስጥ እንግባ ባይ ብራዘር So we're gonna just explore the inside and I'm having the ticket for passing, you know. So look at this boy, he's gonna give me that ticket that allows me to get in. It's 50 bro to get in and visit that. So this is the list for the cost of what entrance. For single individual, you're gonna just pay 50 birr, and those foreigners has to pay 200 birr, and those who are just planning to visit in group 40 birr, in group 40. That's very fair. And for those foreigner in group 160. For kids 30 bro. For wedding ceremony stuff like that 3,000 bro. And for different ceremonies like 1,000 and 1,500 bro. For photo picnic it's like 1,500 bro. For video it's 1,500. This all. This is a list of cost for entrance. So I get my entrance. Thank you, brother. All right. So let's explore more this beautiful park called Mora Gadel. Here inside we're gonna get like apps. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful, you see. Look, it's around here. It's green. So this park called the Mora Garden is found nearby the lake, and this is really the right place to be visited when you just come in case to Hawassa. እንዴት ናችሁ? ሰላም ነው አለን
ይኸው ለማዳጅብ ምናምን አዘጋጅተናል።
ኦኬ
እንጂዮ ለማድረግ በጣም ነው የሚያምሩት። ይኸው እንግዳ ተቀባይ እሱም እንትን ይላል።
ኦኬ
ጅቦችን እየቀረስክ ምናምን ለግቢያችን ውበት ታስተዋውቅልናል
በደንብ አድርጌ ማለት ነው። ጅብ አለ እንዴ? ሪሊ ጅብ አለ እዚህ ውስጥ? ሶ አሁን ጅብ ያለው እኔ they're saying there's hyena and this hyena is something like, you know, yeah. He's gonna bring out that hyena. Really? እንትን አይልም ላይክ አይባልም ምናምን አይነክስማ። እኔ አሁን ብጠጋው አይነከኝ አስበለኝና Guys, do you see the hyena is coming out? Oh my god. I can't believe that. They are kids, you know.
እዚህ ቆመክ
አስመጣቸው እስኪ በደም
ና ሉል ሳም ሉል
He's calling them by name.
name is ሉል.
Guys, do you believe this is hyena?
በጣም ፈሪ ናቸው።
They are fried.
ና ያዝ። ያው ትላልቆች በኋላ ነው የሚወጡት ከ12 ሰዓት በኋላ ራሳቸውን ችለው ስለሚመገቡ በኋላ ነው የሚወጡት። እኛ ደግሞ ማላመድ ከጀመርን ቅርብ ጊዜ ነው። እንዲህ 4-5 ወር ነው ገና ማለት ነው።
እነዚህ
ረጃጅ የራሳቸውን ጭራ ራሱ አያም
ፈሪ
ጅብ ፈሪ በተፈጥሮ አንፃርም ፈሪ ስለሆነ ያው ሰውንም እንዳይፈራ ምናምን ከሰው እይታ እንዲውል እያደረግን እንዴ የልማቱ አካል አላገዘንም እንጂ በራሳችን አሳ የገዘን ያመጣን 4-5 ወራት በኋላ ከሰው ጋር ፍቅር አስተምረናቸው ነው በቀን የሚወጡት። የሀረሩ እንኳን 12 ሰዓት ላይ ነው የሚወጡት።
Guys, here hyena being fed by human.
That's very interesting.
He's throwing food, just shoving.
Fish.
Yeah, he's throwing a fish, you know, and they're just looking that to grab, come out from their.
Enjoyed. Amazing Hawasa.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah.
So, ሌላ አሁን ምንድን ነው?
ሌላ ጦጦችን ጉሬዞችን ያሳይሃል።
ያንቺ ነው?
ጦጦች ጉሬዞች ያው እንደምታየው የሱ ነው።
ኦኬ፣ እነሱ ናቸው?
የጅብ ወይ ነው።
እንዴት ነው? ሰላም ነው? እንዴት ናችሁ? አለን። ሶ ራስሽን አስተዋውቂ። ራስሽን አስተዋውቁ።
ያስተዋውቁ ነው። እሺ፣ እንዲሁ እንደምታዩት በሐዋሳ በአሙራ ገደል ፓርክ ጅቦችን አላምደናል። እንዲሁም ለሀገሪቷ ውበት ለቱሪዝም ደስታ እየታገልን ነው። የመላመድና የመደሰት ሀሳብ ካላችሁ እንዲሁም እያበረታታችሁን ለተለያዩ ስፖንሰሮች እያሳወቃችሁን እንዲሁም ሀገራችንን ማሳደግ እንፈልግ ነው።
Thank you. It's appreciated.
Yeah,
thank you.
So
ስንብርስትሽ ላንቺ
እንደተመቸ
ኦኬ አለኝ ነው አምሳልሽ ደስ የሚለው you know, for showing this they are simply saying give us whatever you have.
Yeah,
that's very fair and just, you know, so I'm gonna give him like 30 ብር 30 ብር 40 ብር
okay እናመሰግናለን።
thank you. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my god. Look at this. Hey, he's gonna eat. Oh, really? Give me more. I want to feed it.
Is it domestic?
Huh?
It's a domestic one.
It's domestic, really. Wow, look at how he did it. nice. How cute she is.
መዳበስ አይወዱም።
Okay, only feeding. Oh, she's cute, you see? Yeah. Oh, look at this cute. Okay. All right. Trying to grab the food. Oh. Come.
የዳም ቦስ ነው የድንበር አለቃ ነው።
The boss comes. Look at the boss. It boss. Oh, the boss. The boss grabbing the food from my hand, you see. ሚታቀፉ አሉ አይደል? This is very impressive. Here, animals, the wild animals become
domestic.
Yeah, they are become, you know,
Social
domestic.
detectives.
We show them your, you know. Come. Enjoy the food. What?
ይመለሳል። ፕሬስ ላድርጎ።
I press it like.
Okay.
Wow, come on.
ሎንግ ቢሆንም ችግር የለውም።
ምንም ችግር የለም። Yeah, it's good. Come on. If we feeding this botanica, this
ape or is a vervet monkey.
Huh?
Its name is a vervet monkey.
Okay. Look at how I'm gonna feed it. Look, come on. You see? How cute she is. Look at how she's cute. Wow. Cute, really cute. Wow. ምግብ ግን በደንብ ይዤ መምጣት ነበረብኝ ታውቃለህ? በጣም ነው ደስ የሚል ግን እግዚአብሔር። So explain me everything in English.
Yeah, this is simply the Amora Gedel or Gudmale Park.
Yeah.
And it holds the different animals in different forests and the oldest trees and just the amazing trees over there.
Mm-hmm. That means those amazing means endemic to Ethiopia.
Endemic.
For example, this giant tree here.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Over more than 150 and just up to 300 years old.
All trees are here.
Yeah.
Up to 300 years old.
300 years old.
Wow.
And just the amazing animals here, the colobus monkey and the vervet monkey. Those first you have seen that is the vervet monkey, and next you
I'm gonna see. You're gonna show me
Columbus
monkey.
Yeah.
This is vervet, yeah.
This is a vervet monkey.
This vervet monkey. Look at guys. She need food, but we finished our. Do you have some? Oh, yeah. Give me some later. I just want to feed. Cause you know, look how she's. Come on. Come.
The guy's boss is coming.
Oh. Look at how he's grabbing me. ትንሽ ነው የምሰጠው እንዳያልቅብኝ።
ይምጣ።
Feeding this.
Guys.
What is it?
Amazing.
It's good. It's very beautiful.
You need more one?
Yeah, one more. Let me try. One more.
Broken.
Come on, one more. Whoa! Look at that! Look. It's very nice. Thank you. Oh, the boss is coming again.
Yeah.
Sorry, boss. We're finished.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's very spectacular.
Yeah.
Wow. What a moment I'm enjoying, bro.
Yeah. Next we are going to see that the Colobus monkey, and the Colobus monkey is an amazing monkey. Just you feed it, hold it to your shoulder, and just it come to your shoulder, and just hold it to your shoulder.
Okay.
And it's a very lover monkey.
That means
It's
they are very closer to
the
humans.
pupils. Yeah.
Columns monkey.
Colobus monkey.
I get to see that.
Yeah. And after that, that is a fig tree. It's a fig tree over there, and it's an amazing tree, and it's the twins. It's the twins. No, the two trees
Are just
come to the being.
growing together.
Yeah,
This one, yeah.
yeah, and it's the oldest tree in this park, and
Okay.
yeah,
It's the oldest tree.
oldest tree.
That means like 300 years old.
Yeah,
It's twin tree.
twins tree. Yeah, you can look over there.
It's twisted, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, one another twisted.
twisted. Yeah,
We
and
arrived to Columns monkey. Columns monkey.
and now we have arrived with the Colobus monkey. So okay, and
መፍራት የለብኝም።
የለብኝም.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait.
ካሜራማን በደንብ ታነሰኛለህ በስልክ
ይሻላል።
በዚህ ፈልግ
በዚህ ብትነሳ ይሻላል። በካሜራ ሶፍት ኮፒ ቆንጆ
እና እንደዚህ ቁም
ማለት ነው።
እንደዚህ
ቶር ነው።
አንተ ጅን እንዴት አፈር ይመጣል? ና
ሂድ ወደዛ ጠጋ በለት ወይ እቺኛ
Oh my god, it's coming, you know.
ና አንተ
Oh, look at how he's grabbing me. Feeding, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's coming to me. Feeding this Columns monkey. Look at how I'm grabbing, holding this Columns monkey. What's going on?
Yeah.
I'm feeding. Look at. Give me more food. Oh, I can't move.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, whoa! Feeding like this. Oh, they become domestic, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, they're lovely. Columbus monk. Oh.
There is back. There is. Yeah.
Goodness. It's okay, I love it.
The Colobus monkey close up, and they just populated.
Thank you, በጣም አበረታተን። ያው እጅግ በጣም አላቢት ማርያምን እግዚአብሔር ይስጣችሁ። Columbus monkey. All the time I'm spending, bro. Look how they climbing on this tree.
Yeah.
They're happy, eh?
Yeah.
ሁለታቸው አባት ናቸው። አብሮሽ ሄደ። Thank you, brother. Keep up your good work. I love it. It's very interesting. It's an amazing thing you are working for Hawass and Jakarta. Love you, my bro.
Yeah.
Keep up your good work. It's very. I love it, bro.
Yeah.
It was very amazing. moment, guys. You know, holding a monkey on your shoulder and feeding them. They're friendly. I haven't ever think of this before, but this is absolutely very nice, and I love it so much. Appreciate these young people who are just doing this great work.
Yeah.
What's your name, my brother? Sorry.
Amare.
Amara.
Yeah.
Okay, Amara.
Guide here.
You're guiding, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not only that, the amazing bird is here. Just you can see it. The hammerkop here.
Oh.
That bird is a hammerkop. It's known by build a big nest.
Okay, building nest.
The nest, and it's known by build a big nest. Just
She's
you
trying
can
to
see them.
collect for building her nest, I think.
Yeah.
Some nesting.
Yeah.
Making, materials.
Yeah.
They're also becoming domestic.
Yeah. And that nest is, you can see it over there.
Oh, this
That
what
nest
they
is
make.
the small bird.
That bird makes this big.
Big nest, yeah.
See,
Over there. Yeah. The shadow.
I appreciate this work, bro.
Yeah.
ይኖር ይሰጣት ነበር ላይክ ስላየው ታንክ ዩ አመሰግናለሁ። በጣም ነው ደስ የሚለው። Yo guys, going to very happy too.
Yeah. We are arriving now with the Lake Hawassa.
Yeah, Lake Hawassa.
Yeah.
I just have a plan to trip to hike.
Yeah.
Wow. The weather, guys, here.
Yeah.
It's very lovely.
Yeah.
Now somewhat chill, but still you love it, you know.
This way.
Yeah, this way. Oh, come to Hawassa, guys. Hawassa, you know Hawassa. Very taking place. Hope you love this video today.
Yeah.
በጀልባ እየዳንሳ
ጀልባለን ዳንሽልኛ So guys, this is where you have seen. I mean, Hawassa is really a lovely land, a lovely city. You see, the peoples are very cooperative and friendly, lovely, you know. They just trying to make your time very nice and beautiful. These people are very amazing. Look how the lake is beautiful. ሰላም ናችሁ? ላይ ነው። Oh, see, just the Leon. My goodness, my goodness. Woo! Just to see that. Look at the lake, guys.
Kind of that. Its name is Egyptian goose.
Egyptian goose? Yeah. Okay. Goose pen. Yeah, it's a jack, of course. If you move this way up there, you'll just end up to a hike. And if you just cross straight this forward, ያው ማን ይባላል? ዲላ በዚህ በአርባ ምንጭ ነው አይደል? ያ ሰፈር ማን ነው የሚባለው?
ማዶ የሚታየው ሐዋሳ ኤርፖርት ነው። ሐዋሳ ኤርፖርት
Let's walk some. See this beautiful beach. It's not the beach actually.
Yeah.
We can make it across.
Yeah.
You know, guys. You don't have words to express what you can feel if you just stand here on this beautiful heavenly lands of Hawassa. The breeze, the air, wow, it's very breathtaking, guys. Woo! It's my happiest day. Okay, those people here, you know, chilling with his beautiful girlfriend. Really, my look at this. What amazing thing, guys. You don't know what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling great, you know. Wow. Hawassa. Like Hawassa, where is it? Look at that body. It really deserves to be visited. Look at the monkey here, the red monkey. Wow. This is Lake Hawassa that supports many people's life, you know, like and this is well-known lake in producing a lot of fish and the most productive lake. Hawassa, what a beautiful city, what a beautiful place. Oh guys, oh I'm really happy, I'm very happy, guys. You know? You know, the condition, the air. Love nature. I love nature, guys. This is why I just decided to explore and see more, because it gives me the ultimate happiness. It just gives me to listen to my inside. And now it gives me a chance to listen my inside if I come to this kind of beautiful nature. Whoa, guys, come and feel the feeling here on this ridge of Lake Hawassa. Woo! It's very amazing. So, the Shainsha brother.